Hey guys, welcome back to Fun Tech Reviews. Today we're going to be testing the budget-friendly Golongele robot vacuum. This is the smaller unit. As you've seen, I did an unboxing video about a week or so ago. Sorry it took me so long to get this video out. I had some foot surgery done, so I've been kind of out of commission for a couple days here. But anyway, I think we're going to have to probably empty the bin once or twice, just because of how small it is. But we'll go ahead and get this started. Alright, so as you can see, I scattered around some dog food here, so let's go ahead and get this started. We'll just go ahead and press the start button. Alright, so I went ahead and paused it real quick just to check the dustbin, and as you can see, it is pretty full here. So I'm just going to empty it out, and then we'll continue on with the test. Alright, so we'll continue on. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the dustbin again. Alright, so as you can see here, it's pretty full, especially for this dustbin. It doesn't look like it's super full, but as you can see the little opening here, so once it gets full, it just kind of spews and back out. So we'll go ahead and empty this out, and then we'll continue on. Alright, here we go, we'll continue. Alright, I'm going to end it there. I was struggling to get into the corners and stuff like that over here by the trash bag box. But overall, I think it did pretty decent. We did have to empty the bin a couple times, so it's kind of a downside if you want to actually use it for like a whole house cleaning thing. I don't think that would be the best application. The remote works okay. With this unit, you can't use directional buttons to only start and stop, basically. But let me know what you guys think, how it did. I'll kind of show you around the edges just to see that. Right, so here's everything that it left along the edges here. As you can see, there's a couple pieces over there. One piece there. And that's about it. Let me know what you guys want to see. I have some other videos coming up very soon. I do have a narwhal on the way. Narwhal robotic mop vacuum. So as soon as that comes in, we'll be unboxing that. I haven't decided if I'm going to do that live stream or not yet. But I do have some other fun little toys coming as well. So make sure you stay tuned, stay subscribed, and stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Yeah.